Farming and economic activities have been affected by poor roads in the Daffiama-Bussie-Issa District of the Upper West region. Under the present conditions, farmers have a challenge moving their farm yields to the regional capital, where the economic cost of poor road maintenance are borne primarily by road users. When a road is allowed to deteriorate, the maintenance cost increases, and this raises the net cost to the economy as a whole.
Daffiama-Bussie-Issa District is one of the areas where food is produced in abundance. Yet, farmers living at Dunuo, Bayiri and Bayiri say they are unable to transport their produce to the regional capital Wa for good market due to the bad nature of the Bayiri road. Government is, however, working on some strategic roads in the district, including the Dunuo-Bayiri road. The 19-kilometer road is being upgraded to make it more marchable. A check by GBC24 revealed that work on the project has started in earnest with the construction of 2 major culverts. Upgrading of the road, which is funded by the government, is expected to be completed in 1.5 years. The district's chief executive for the area, Mr. Imoru Sanda, said government sees the Dunuo-Bayiri road as strategic because it will contribute to the reduction of poverty and reduce traveling period from the district to the regional capital, Wa.
This place is the food basket, I should say, of the Daffiama-Bussie-Issa District. And this road particularly serves as a very economic road for goods and services. But because of its own nature, the potential of the people here is not fully utilized.
The Assembly member for Chala electoral area, Mr. Seidu Mumunibani, said the poor nature of the road is a disincentive to farmers and traders in the area. He expressed the hope that the project on completion will reduce the drudgery of farmers.
Yimpensi is one of the farming communities where Upper West rely on when it comes to yams, maize and other cereals. And my people will be very happy if this road is constructed. Their economic activity will be booming. You will see women moving to Wa to buy their things and come back within some few minutes. You will see the farmers themselves moving to Wa to do other transactions like bringing fertilizer and other things to apply to their farms.
Meanwhile, the road project has created job opportunities for people in the area. Some young girls who otherwise would have traveled down south for non-existing jobs are engaged as laborers on the project.